Allahu Akbar. How about that?
بيعمل اختبار.
I really thought of keeping you on just to fuck with you over the next 3.5 years.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Welcome.
In the Christian religion, God is so manifested, but there is no such thing in Islam. So who am I talking to? Do I envision anything?
كل ما خطر ببالك فالله بخلاف ذلك.
One of the most haunting and beautiful sounds in the world is the Muslim call to prayer. What was the origin of that?
It is said that one of Muhammad's companions had a vision while he was asleep, where he heard this call for prayer. And then when he woke up, he went to Muhammad and told him about it. And he's made it into this ritual of using it to call for prayers every day, 5 times every day.
The muezzin, how is he chosen? Do you hold auditions?
تمام، يعقد اختبار للمؤذنين والأحسن صوتا هو الأولى بالأذان.
Allahu Akbar. How about that?
بيعمل اختبار.
الهاء لم تنطق.
You have to work on that.
I have to work on that. Okay. I get it.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Islam sees God in all things that are beautiful. Because God has no physical forms, He can be experienced anywhere with any of the senses. But these experiences only have aspects of the divine. God is all